How to request a refund on Shopee after an order is received. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to request a refund on Shopee after an order is received. First of all, open Shopee.com. Click on your username to open your profile. Click on Return Refund to check your return refund case. You do not have any return refund cases for now. Click on Help to see further details. Your Help Center page will open in a new tab. It may take a while to load. Here is the option of return and refunds on the right side of the page. Click on it. Here are some raising requests, like what kind of products are not allowed for physical return. You can take help from how I request perishable goods or what happens after a seller receives my return or refund request. Scroll down and see a lot of questions that you can ask for help. If you have any other questions, you can call them or email them as well. Click on a question about returns or refunds for buyers. Here are different raising return or refund requests, and after submitting return or refund requests, click on a question. How do I raise a return or refund request? First of all, select Order. Then select Return or Refund, and then select Request Reason. Then select Products to return and click on Next. Now select To Receive. After that, select Order. Now select Return or Refund, select Request Reason, and select Products. That's how you can request a refund on Shopee after an order is received. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.